What's the best way to grow your YouTube channel? Well, we're going to talk about that right now. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Havix and it is good to see you. Okay guys, so if you want to know how to grow your YouTube channel, obviously, the best options that you have and the best way to do it is by using other platforms. If you have other social media accounts like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, I don't know. If you have any of that, use it. Post on there every day. Post on Reddit. Just post on everything. That's literally the best way. Try to collab with other people. The best way to grow, just make friends on social media, is by being outgoing. Be socialistic. Be willing to talk to other people and be willing to put in the work, be consistent, and just do what you need to do. If you're on there every day, posting, retweeting, messaging people, being yourself and being authentic about it, you're gonna find that people are gonna be more attracted to you and they're gonna be like, oh, maybe this guy's cool. I'm gonna go check out his channel. And you never know. They might like what you're making and they might subscribe. If they subscribe, who knows? They might retweet it. If they retweet it or if they hear your video, hey, there you go. That is honestly the best way, guys, to build a community on YouTube. That's literally the only way. Don't do this sub for sub. Don't do that crap. That crap doesn't work. But if you guys really want to grow on YouTube, be yourself. Be consistent and post on every social media website. The best thing to do is try to find your biggest platform where you're being the most successful at and post on it. Because if you're posting on there all the time and you're helping out others, people are going to help you out in the long run. That's just how it goes. What you give to other people is what they're going to give back to you. It may take time, but enjoy the journey. The journey is so important. Don't rush everything, because if you don't rush it and you enjoy it, you're going to find out that the better you do, the more work you put into it and the harder you work, the better you're going to get at what your crafting is. The better you're going to... I can't talk, guys. You're going to get better at your craft, and if you get better at your craft, you're going to be able to excel at it, and then you never know. With a lot of luck and a lot of hard work, you might blow up and make it big. But yeah, I just want to get on here and just share that with you guys. If you guys enjoyed, please smack that like. Make sure you smack that subscribe and let me know what you guys think. What is your biggest social media platform that you have, and how are you using it to help grow your channel, or how you're using it to help others? I would love to know down below. Yeah, like I said, if you guys are new here, subscribe, because we the coolest. Yeah. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out from your boy Havix.